Hi everyone, today I'm on the Gold Coast at Skyridge Estate and I'll be checking out the Marion from Metricon. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so here we go. Now this is a lovely and bright area. High ceilings, love the tiles. They've got like a little flute feature all over here. But in this corner, they've turned into, this is an office space. It's very bright and airy because they've put this huge window here and you're getting lots of natural light. Staircase as your feature. When you walk in, you notice that straight away. Love it so far. All right, let's keep going down this way. On my left, you've got the garage. And then through here, we're walking into your laundry area. It's actually quite spacious and you can add more cabinetry up here if you wanted. Door that leads out into the garden area. And then straight across, we'll do a little bit of a zigzag, guys. So straight across here, you've got a nice sitting area. You could turn this into your media room. Big window across here. And then straight ahead, across from the sitting room, you've got a bathroom, so guest bathroom, same tiles carried all the way up to the ceiling. But let's have a look at the heart of the home. Here you are. It is so bright in here. I love it. Everything's very open. You've got open plan living. So you're dining, huge window. You've got these sliding doors that open right up into your alfresco area. Very nice. Living area through here. Let's check out actually first the kitchen and then we'll head outside quickly. So I love the kitchen area, especially because it has a window backsplash, which I have in my own house and I absolutely love it. Come this way, guys. There is a pantry through here. Lots of storage space actually in this pantry, and they've continued that window here so you do get that natural light. Now let's head over outside quickly just to take a look. So out here you have an undercover space so you can use it all year round. I love how they've carried the wooden elements up the top here. Barbecue area, beautiful. Now let me come around this way. You've got another little zone here, and that opens up completely into your dining and kitchen area. So what do you guys think so far? Let's go and head upstairs to check out the bedrooms. Okay, so here we are upstairs. Nice window just behind me, getting lots of natural light. This home just feels very open. And this is another living area, so chill out zone. I love it, it's very spacious. And this home design has a balcony out here. So if you build this home and have beautiful views, that's definitely a bonus. Now let's go around the corner because I think these are our first bedrooms. So they're across from each other. Let's have a look at this bedroom here, bedroom number 1. Decorated as a kid's room, love it. They do actually have also high ceilings upstairs. And let's have a look at bedroom number 2, straight across. Nice big window here too. Built-in cabinetry. Let's keep going. All right. Now, what I've noticed is they've got really wide hallways, which is great because it makes it feel more spacious. Across here is the guest bathroom, and in this bathroom, same tiles as downstairs, and you've got a bathtub and a shower across, and then zigzag on the other side. If you take a peek, you've got your linen cupboard, so lots of storage space. Through here is a separate toilet to the bathroom, so your toilet is in here, and then zigzag again to bedroom number 3. Oh, this is cute. So they've put a lovely wallpaper here, and the difference with this bedroom is they've got a cute walk-in robe around the corner. Now, let's go and check out the master bedroom. So here is your master bedroom. Guys, it is huge. Feels very open, very spacious, very open because you've got your own private balcony. It's a huge balcony, and as I said, depending on where you build this home, you could take advantage of views all around. I love this balcony. Around the corner here is your walk-in robe. Very nice and spacious. Oh, and one thing that's important, if you can, always have a window in your walk-in robe so you get that natural light. And they've got a window right here. And then across the corner, is you have another walk-in robe. So technically, you know, his and hers or yours. And you're still getting, even though it doesn't have a window, you're still getting natural light because there's a window just around the corner here in your bathroom. Bathtub, double sink, separate toilet, same beautiful tiles. So that's it, guys. What do you guys think of this home? Let me know your favorite features. I have plenty, including all the balconies and windows in this home. So thank you for watching.